Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Ka Chavaka powder is probably one of the most versatile and nutrient-dense whole-body meal replacements available on the market today, offering a convenient and effective solution for busy individuals seeking to optimize their health and wellness without compromising on taste or nutritional completeness. This innovative powder is meticulously crafted with a blend of high-quality ingredients designed to provide sustained energy, support muscle growth and repair, and promote overall well-being, making it an ideal choice for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone looking to simplify their dietary routine while ensuring they receive a balanced intake of essential vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients. Number 5. Garden of Life Raw Organic Chocolate Meal Replacement Shake. Discover a delicious and convenient way to nourish your body. Our raw organic shake provides complete plant-based nutrition to power your busy life. Experience the goodness of sprouted plant proteins, vibrant greens, and essential probiotics. It's a clean and wholesome choice for your well-being. Indulge in the rich, satisfying taste of chocolate without any dairy. This shake is perfect for anyone seeking a plant-based alternative. More than just protein, it's a complete meal replacement. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and digestive support, it helps you feel your best. Enjoy the convenience of 28 servings in every container. It's an easy and effective way to support your health goals every day. Trust in our commitment to raw, organic ingredients. We deliver exceptional quality for your optimal health and vitality. What we like. This option is raw and organic, packed with plant-based goodness and probiotics. If you prioritize a whole food, minimally processed shake with added greens and digestive support, this is a fantastic choice for your daily nutrition. What people say. My hair has almost quit falling out by adding this to my diet. My skin looks 100% better too. I was very washed out looking and now I am back to looking like I used to. The shake leaves me full for 3.5 to 4 hours, and I usually feel more alert after my first few sips. Number 4. KOS Vegan Protein Powder, Chocolate. Fuel your body with the goodness of organic pea protein. It's a delicious, plant-based blend designed to support your active lifestyle. Indulge in the decadent taste of chocolate without any added sugars. This blend is naturally sweetened and free from erythritol. More than just protein, it's a superfood powerhouse. You'll get essential vitamins and minerals to keep you feeling your best. Perfect for your dietary needs. Whether you're following a keto lifestyle or avoiding dairy, this powder fits right in. This versatile blend is suitable for both women and men. It's an easy way to get 28 servings of complete nutrition. We believe in clean, simple ingredients. Enjoy a protein powder that's organic, plant-based, and free from artificial additives. What we like. Looking for a vegan protein without erythritol. This blend is rich in plant-based superfoods and vitamins, making it keto-friendly. If you're sensitive to sugar alcohols or seeking a nutrient-dense, keto-optimized vegan meal replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a great product for weight loss. It helps to curb appetite and boost metabolism. I have been using this product for a month now and I have lost 5 pounds. It is a great way to supplement a healthy diet and exercise routine. This product is a great source of fiber and protein. It is also low in calories and fat. Number 3. TrueFit High Fiber Protein Powder. Introducing TrueFit High Fiber Protein Powder, your delicious and convenient source of nutrition. It's crafted with high-quality ingredients to support your wellness goals. Experience the benefits of grass-fed whey, a premium protein source that's gentle on your stomach. It provides the essential amino acids your body needs to thrive. This powder is enhanced with prebiotics and probiotics to promote a healthy gut microbiome. Support your digestion and overall well-being with every serving. We've included a blend of organic superfoods to boost the nutritional value. Get a comprehensive dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in one shake. Perfect for those following a keto or gluten-free lifestyle. It fits seamlessly into your dietary plan without compromising on taste or quality. Whether you need a quick breakfast, a post-workout recovery shake, or a healthy snack, this is your ideal solution. It's a satisfying and nutritious option anytime. What we like. This shake offers grass-fed whey protein with a high fiber content and added prebiotics and probiotics. If you prefer a dairy-based protein that also supports gut health and satiety with its fiber, this is an excellent option for a complete meal replacement. What people say. It has probiotic fiber, and 1 billion CFU probiotics, which is good for your digestion and well-being. With 25g grass-fed protein, and antibiotic-free, with no hormones, or soy, I felt it was a good choice. It mixes easily with no clumps, lumps, or grit. In fact, the consistency is almost velvety. Number 2. UpNourish Chocolate Vegan Protein Powder. Discover the delicious way to nourish your body. Our chocolate vegan protein powder is packed with goodness to support your active lifestyle. Experience the power of 54 superfoods in every scoop. It's a comprehensive blend designed to provide essential nutrients and vitality. Support your digestive wellness with 1.5 billion CFU probiotics. This formula is crafted to promote a healthy gut microbiome. Get 21g of pure plant-based protein to fuel your muscles and recovery. It's the perfect choice for a clean, effective protein boost. Enjoy a clean formula with no sugar, no dairy, and no GMOs. It's dairy-free and made with your well-being in mind. Perfect for your keto or low-carb diet, this shake serves as an ideal meal replacement. It keeps you satisfied and on track with your goals. With 15 servings per container, it's a convenient and tasty way to meet your nutritional needs. Enjoy a guilt-free, chocolatey treat. What we like. With an impressive 54 superfoods and no added sugar or dairy, this vegan option is also keto-friendly. If you want a comprehensive nutritional profile from a wide variety of plant sources and are following a low-carb or keto diet, this shake delivers exceptional value. What people say. It sustains me for 4 hours just as if I ate solid foods. This did remove the belly fat that I always had an issue with. It blends nicely and thickens up so it fills me up for quite a while. Number 1. Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder, Creamy Chocolate Fudge. Discover the delicious taste of creamy chocolate fudge. Our organic vegan protein powder is crafted with plant-based ingredients to support your wellness journey. Each serving delivers a robust 21 grams of high-quality plant-based protein. It's the perfect way to refuel after a workout or boost your daily intake. Enjoy the benefits of 6 grams of prebiotic fiber in every scoop. This supports your digestive health while keeping you feeling satisfied. We've kept the net carbs low, so you can enjoy a healthy lifestyle without compromise. It's a smart choice for those watching their carb intake. Experience the purity of no lactose and no added sugar. It's made with non-GMO ingredients for a clean and wholesome product you can trust. Elevate your favorite shakes and smoothies with its smooth texture and rich flavor. It blends effortlessly for a delicious and convenient treat. What we like. This organic vegan protein is formulated with prebiotic fiber and is low in net carbs. If you're seeking a smooth, creamy chocolate flavor from plant-based sources, prioritize gut health with fiber, and want to keep your carbohydrate intake low, this is a great choice for your smoothies. What people say. This is a great product that works well. The product is very effective and I am happy with my purchase. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.